He domino.
Arg. Dot. Lawyer. Taco Bell.
We should have never had that zombie sleep overnight. Ha ha. You look like you popped out of 28 days. Ha 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 ha. Ha.
Taco Bell. Grrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr Taco. I eat face.
No, you're supposed to lick faces, dumbass.
Eat face.
Shut up.
Eat face.
Shut up, whore.
Eat face.
Really? Just shut the hell up, foe.
Eat face.
He'll buy you Skittles if you shut up.
Okay. Skittles. Yum.
You're a retard. Love you, hun.
Eat face.
Shut you pee whore. Shut up. Finally, silence